Hi everyone, Trailhead Brothers here. Today we will do this module, work with list records. Okay, create lightning up a component bear list. Lightning a component bear list. Okay, create lightning a component JavaScript bear list. Okay, metadata. Page we are doing this module. We are gonna work with multiple records. So let's change this to this one. Okay, let's save it. Okay, we're done. This enable to be placed. Okay, then we have template. Here we are gonna work with multiple records. So let's start HTML. Okay, first of all, error. Okay, there we go. And we have an error occurred while loading the bear list. There we go. Let's save it. Template lightning template. There we go. Now let's do the JavaScript file. And this is the JavaScript file here. Import lightning. We are also gonna import the resource. Import resource and send this dot error back as an error. And that's it for this one. Okay, there we go. This is done. Let's save it. Okay. We'll get on the call. No, verification call. Okay. The component is loaded. Okay. So let's say the return data in the bears property or to product. This is imperative. It's a new method in this we have used. We also have to modify this. I'm just gonna copy this and paste it in the CSS. We need to create a new file here. New file. List.css. There we go. Let's copy this and paste it here and click save. There we go. This adds a border to and sets the height of a very silhouette image. Okay. Now let's deploy this. Deploy this source to org. Okay, this is deployed. Now we are gonna add it on our page. Select or search for edit page and top left of the page. Okay, refresh. And let's click on edit page. Let's add a bare list here at the top. and save it. Let's go back. This is something we're gonna see. Okay, so this is something we're watching. Okay, if we go through here, we have this. We from here we have made a lightning card, and we have used an animal here. This one, and in this we are using a class. This class is okay. Here we have multiple lightning layout for multiple boundaries mode. Multiple. Okay, there we go. Now use one of replace for a new proof for tree. I guess we are going to use wide epics instead of imperative epics. Edit and replace. There. Okay. To bears dot data. Okay, then we have a template for each bears bears dot data data. Okay, then replace if to bears dot error. Bears dot error, and then we have instead of the just error even there with instead of just errors, and replace the contents of the JS file. Okay. Okay, we are removing all of this. We are gonna use the wire function. Get all bears. Okay, that's it. We are gonna use this. Here we go. Let's simplify decorating base property. All the data we need. Now coming through this. Okay, now we had all of this uh, replaced with just these two lines. in your apex calls. The number is on the rise and you want to be able to filter the bear list to quickly find them. Let's add a search bar. Okay, we're gonna add search bar. Then after the bears dot data, after the bears dot data, okay, bears dot data. Let's use lightning input. There we go. Here type is search on change and search on change. Variant label hidden class sl ds var bottom small. Okay, then we have label search. We are also going to use the placeholder search for players value search term. Okay, let's save this. Call the search. Okay, that's okay. After the lightning layout, lightning layout. Okay, after the lightning layout, we have the lightning layout here. So this is the lightning layout. What will happen if we have found no bears? No bears found. Okay. Template close if false has results. SMDS align app absolute center ds var m vertical small. Okay, there you go. And this is very disturbing. Mr. Find results. Okay, we have created it. Now we are gonna replace the okay, bear list, replace the contents of the bear list with this. Okay. Now let's modify this a bit. Okay, we are returning the results here. There's a timeout that we are using, and then we are using the search term. Here equal the value. When this value is equal, it will run. After running it, here, there we go. What we have to do now? Now let's deploy the code. Bare list, deploy this source to. Okay, this is deployed. Let's go back and refresh. We have deployed our code. Okay, we have a search bar here. Let's search space has errors. Let me. Okay, after deploying this, let's refresh. Okay, see, it's working fine. Let's verify.